Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur the background on Picsart. So this is a simple way to make your photos look more focused and professional. So first open up the Picsart, tap the plus button and choose the photo that you want to edit. So to get the best results, remove the person from the image first and use the remove tool and carefully brush over the subject. And once you are done, tap remove and save the edited image. Next, open the effects section and go to the blur category. Pick a blur effect and adjust the strength until you're happy with the background and save the image again. Now tap add photo and insert the original photo. Resize it so that it matches the blurred background, and after that remove the background from the original image using the remove background tool, and if it is needed, use the erase option to clean up any areas that were not selected correctly. So once everything looks good, compare the before and after result, and then tap the download button to save your photo. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.